Hello everyone, welcome back to the next tutorial, that's makeup, contour makeup. So what is contour makeup? Have you ever heard about contour makeup? So you can just browse on Google, otherwise this is contour makeup. Just making shades on faces. That's here is really bright and a little bit dark here, and also here bright and here dark. You can find a lot of images on Google, or I think the celebrities use this kind of makeup. I don't know, because I never did any makeup even with talcum powder in my entire life. Well, we can do, or we can try to do this kind of makeup in this image. So let's get started. So before doing this, it depends your creativity. I know this will not be perfect, but let me introduce this thing and let me tell you how we can create, or let me describe the steps of doing contour makeup. So let's get started. The first thing, we are selected the previous image. We cleaned the image or the face with the noise and surface blur. So the first thing we want to do is let's draw like this using the brush tool. Let's paint like this area. Actually this area didn't match this image, but we can try this thing, or otherwise you can just find contour makeup shades on Google that matching the face. Well, we can do the first thing here on top. We can give a dark, then this area goes a white, then also here white here, then the nose goes dark and the white covers this area. So we can sample these colors and we can do like this, just do like this. Okay, the first, select the brush tool and sample the color. That alt, hold down the alt and sample this color, then hide this one. So we have to make a new empty layer and drag here using the 60 or 50 brush size, and keep the flow value 100 and drag like this. No problem even if you cover the hair, we have to do some other settings, so no problem with that. Okay, keep it like this. Well, then the next is goes the white. Okay, we can do dark white such a way. Sample this color, alt sample, then hide, then make like this. Okay, that's okay. Then this area covers dark. Let's do that. Sample this color. Well, how it looks. Okay. Okay, then white here, I can do perfectly that, because we have a red color shade on cheeks. Sorry. Okay, the next, okay, dark color down, sorry, this color. So we can do like this, create like this, no problem. Okay, this looks really funny. So the next thing what we want to do is just to make the blend mode to hard light. We already thought about this blend mode, it's changed to an orange color. Well, then the next is make it smart object, because we want to add some filters or some other things here. So let's add filter, that's a blur, then Gaussian blur, just blur in this area, keep it down. Look at that, it makes sense. Look at that, but it's too white. Well, we can do some other settings here. Then the next thing, this is so saturated, so let's decrease the saturation. How we can do that? Let's make a hue saturation adjustment. then that belongs to this layer only. Then when I increase the saturation, it become more bright in color. Can I keep it down? Okay, this is enough. Otherwise we want to remove this hue saturation layer. Okay, the blur or the color spread across the image, so we can make a layer mask here and select the brush tool and remove like this. Look at that, make it bigger. I can feel the spread of color is removing. Go to hue and saturation, then change the lightness level down, keep it down. Okay, that's enough. That's the best way rather than adding layer mask and okay, that's a better way. Down. Is it good? This is good. So we added a small contour to the image, or we did a small contour makeup to image. Let's look at that. So this was the this was the before and this is after. There's a change. Before, after, before and after. So this is all about the contour makeup. You can do, or you can try with another different images with more hard brushes or hard colors and make your own contours. I hope you got it. So I'm winding up this section. Thank you.